Danas, remember to go over Amazon and support me by purchasing my book, I Wasn't Okay by Donna Edwards Hawthorne. Type in my name on Amazon and both my books will come up. This is my autobiography. I Wasn't Okay. Yes, this is my life story in here. And this is my Life and Goal Planner, Law of Attraction by Donna Edwards Hawthorne. So let me show you something. Every page has something for you to look forward to. Every single page, and it's 193 pages. So it's a lot of page for you to write your goals in. Okay, I am in charge of my own happiness and success 100%. Okay, so every single page has something for you to look on. I am working on achieving my dreams. Yes, so please go over. It's worth it for you to get your life and goal planner and start putting your visions in a book. Okay, so you could manifest them. All right, so remember also, I would love for you to leave me a feedback when you purchase any of my book. If you already purchased any of my book, I'm looking to see you over on Amazon leaving me a review. I would really love to get your feedback over on Amazon. It really helped me to grow. If you love me, please go over there and leave me a review, and then you can tell me. God bless you guys. Have a great day.